Welcome to another episode of Trends and Ideas. I am your host, Beth Piscora, and our guest today is S&P Capital IQ equity analyst Jim Corridor, recently named by the Wall Street Journal in its Best on the Street survey for his coverage of the airline industry. Welcome, Jim.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Sure. So what is your outlook for the airline industry?
Sure, we have a positive fundamental outlook on the airline space right now. We think that capacity is very rational, that demand is improving because the economy is getting better, and we expect that oil prices should remain flat to slightly down this year. So that leads to a very profitable scenario for the airline industry.
How interesting. So is there one catalyst or a theme affecting the industry that you can talk about?
Yeah, absolutely. Since the airlines have been profitable now for 2 to 3 years, what's happening is they're starting to generate very good cash from operations. They're increasingly using that cash to pay down debt, buy back stock, and find ways to return that cash to investors.
Great, that's great. So is there one stock in particular that you could recommend to us today?
Certainly. I would point out U.S. Airways, which is slated to merge with American Airlines, and if that merger is successfully completed, they will become the largest airline in the world. And even if they don't, we like the stock on a standalone basis because we see it as undervalued relative to its peers.
And that's ticker LCC, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. So thank you so much. And we encourage all our MarketScope.com subscribers to read more of Jim's views on MarketScope.com in a related Trends and Ideas article called Flying High with Airline Stocks. Until next time, thanks for watching or listening. I'm Beth Piscora for S&P Capital IQ.